Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick clip for you to walk you through the assignment details for our research paper project. We have that coming up due in the next couple of weeks, and I'm sure many of you are starting to work on that. So just wanted to do a quick run through for you. So from our homepage, if you click on syllabus, you can also find it under assignments, but I'll go to syllabus so you can see the due date as well. We just scroll down to the self-analysis research project, and you'll see here on the syllabus that it's due Friday, May 22nd at 11:59 p.m. So click on the self-analysis research project, and that takes you to the assignment page where you have all of the details of the assignment. So general overview of the assignment, you are engaging in a self-analysis. That's the whole theme of this project, is to choose some area of your personal psychology, personal experiences, and development within that area, and use research to support your analysis. So you can choose literally anything. Everything is really on the table. What I care mostly about is you are engaging in a thorough self-analysis and you are supporting that self-analysis with research. So this is a two-part assignment. The first part of it is the paper. So you'll be writing the paper, which is the self-analysis and supporting research. And then the second part of the assignment is a PowerPoint presentation. So regularly in my normal classes, you would be presenting this to the class, but since we are online now, we are just going to create the PowerPoint presentation and upload that to Canvas. But the presentation is simply your paper in PowerPoint format. So read through the paper requirements. It gives you the number of pages required, sources required. I do prefer that you use peer-reviewed journal articles as your sources because that's how we know we're getting authentic research. And you do need to write in APA format. If you are not familiar with APA format, I have posted a document here. You can click on that document and it will automatically download. You can click on that once it's downloaded and it'll open as a Word document. And you will see, once it opens, forgive my slow computer. Okay, you'll see that this document is actually already in APA format. So all you really have to do is go and click in there and you can erase everything and type whatever it is you want to type in and know that your paper is already formatted in APA format. Do read through this though, because it gives you details about how to cite sources. That's the second major problem that I see in papers, is that sources are not cited in APA format. So please read through the document and make sure that you understand how to do that. If you read through it and still have problems, please contact me. Please do not Google APA format because it will bring up websites that tell you you need to have an abstract, you need to have a literature review, you need to have a methods section. You don't need any of that for this paper. All that I want as far as APA is concerned is margins, font size, spacing, title page, running head, all of that formatting stuff, and then cite your sources in APA format. So read through this. If you still have questions, contact me. You also want to make sure that you're writing in your own words. Your paper will be run through a plagiarism checker when it is submitted. So please just make sure that you are writing in your own words. You have to have a 75% authenticity score or higher. Anything below that won't be accepted and you'll receive a 0 on the entire project. Presentation requirements. So again, the presentation is just your paper in PowerPoint format. So presentations should have the same 5 sources that you have in your paper, should be exactly the same topic. These are not two separate assignments with two separate topics. It's the same topic. And then make sure that you are citing your sources in your PowerPoint as well. Also, when you upload your PowerPoint to Canvas, you have to save your PowerPoint as a PDF and then upload the PDF to Canvas. We don't have a lot of space on Canvas, so please make sure you are converting your file into a PDF. If you have some questions about the presentation, you can see a sample presentation here. Again, you can click on it and download it and open it as a PDF. You can also view it within Canvas and see my sample presentation. So this sample presentation is just an example of one potential topic. You do not have to choose this topic, but this gives you a general idea of what I'm looking for. So you'll see in my sample, I decided to talk about how what I think are my three strongest personality characteristics, how they developed, where I got them from, and then how having those personality characteristics influenced my social development. So I go through that for all three of these characteristics. What I want you to mainly take away from this sample is how I am citing sources and also the structure. So what you'll see is I talk about research and then go on to explain how that research correlates with what I've experienced in my life, or I talk about my personal experiences and then mention research that supports those personal experiences. So the main thing is self-analysis supported by research. That's the whole point of the assignment and mainly what I want to see in terms of structure. Then at the very end, you'll see I have a sources slide. You should have a slide at the end listing all of your sources. And then again, make sure you're citing your sources within the presentation in APA format. And check those APA guidelines or look at my sample presentation to see how to do that. Okay, going back up, let's minimize this. And then last but not least, uploading on the due date. There are no late assignments accepted, so you must submit by May 22nd, 11:59 p.m. There's no time for me to accept late assignments because I have to submit grades as soon as possible after the end of the semester. So please make sure that you're submitting on time. Again, submit the appropriate file types, must be a Word document for your paper or a PDF for your paper and must be a PDF for your presentation. Okay, so last but not least, if you have any questions, if you're struggling with a topic, if you need to bounce some ideas around, please reach out to me. The end of the semester is coming quickly and we have lots of things to submit at the end of the semester, so don't put this off. Get started as soon as you possibly can and reach out to me when you need help with anything. Okay, that is it.